Imagine a time when you had to talk to computers in just zeros and ones. That's right. In this video, we'll uncover how software transformed from complex machine code to the open source programs we use every day. And trust me, it's a story you'll want to stick around for. At first, using a computer was really tough. You'd have to type every command as a series of zeros and ones, called machine code. A single mistake could ruin everything. Developers needed a change. So they created assembly language, which was slightly easier but still very challenging. Then came the big breakthrough. In the 70s and 80s, high-level languages like C, Java, and later Python changed the game. With these languages, developers could communicate with computers in ways that were much easier to understand. Suddenly, almost anyone could start building software, from games to important business tools. It was a whole new world of possibilities. But here's something you might not know. As programming languages advanced, the way we see computers changed too. Instead of typing commands, we started using graphical user interfaces, or GUIs. The first GUI was developed by Xerox PARC, and it was a big deal. For the first time, users could interact with computers by simply clicking on icons and opening windows. This made computers much more user-friendly, and soon, Apple and Microsoft brought GUIs to their own systems, revolutionizing how people use technology in their everyday lives. But something big was still missing: collaboration. Companies kept their code private. That's when the open source movement began, unlocking software for everyone to share and improve together. From early code to open source software, each step brought us closer to the connected digital world we live in today. So next time you use an app or browse the web, remember, it all started with just zeros and ones. Don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned for more tech history on Bytes Back in Time.